Today we will discuss clarithromycin, marketed commonly as Claribid. This lecture is designed specifically for MBBS students, focusing on mechanism of action, pharmacokinetics, clinical uses, adverse effects, drug interactions, resistance, and exam-relevant points. Drug classification. Clarithromycin is a semi-synthetic macrolide derived from erythromycin. Structural modification improves acid stability, leading to better oral bioavailability and reduced gastrointestinal intolerance compared to erythromycin. Mechanism of action. Clarithromycin acts by binding to the 50S ribosomal subunit of bacteria. It blocks the translocation step of protein synthesis, thereby preventing bacterial growth. It is primarily bacteriostatic but can be bactericidal at higher concentrations against highly sensitive organisms. Antimicrobial spectrum. Clarithromycin has excellent activity against gram-positive cocci and atypical organisms. Its unique importance in MBBS lies in its activity against Helicobacter pylori and Mycobacterium avium complex, especially in immunocompromised patients. Pharmacokinetics. Clarithromycin is well absorbed orally and widely distributed in tissues, especially respiratory tissues. It undergoes hepatic metabolism via CYP3A4 an active metabolite. Both parent drug and metabolite contribute to antibacterial action. Clinical uses. Clinically, clarithromycin is frequently prescribed for respiratory and ENT infections. In pharmacology, its most tested indication is H. pylori eradication as part of triple therapy. Role in H. pylori eradication. Clarithromycin is a cornerstone drug in H. pylori eradication regimens. Combined with a proton pump inhibitor and another antibiotic, it significantly improves ulcer healing rates. Adverse drug reactions. Common adverse effects involve the gastrointestinal system. A clinically significant adverse effect is QT interval prolongation, especially in patients with existing cardiac disease. Drug interactions. Clarithromycin is a strong CYP3A4 inhibitor, leading to significant drug interactions. This is a favorite MBBS Viva and exam topic. Mechanisms of resistance. Resistance to clarithromycin is increasing worldwide, particularly in H. pylori. Ribosomal methylation is the most important resistance mechanism. Use in special populations. Special care must be taken in pregnancy, liver disease, and renal impairment. Always individualize therapy. Important exam points. These are high-yield points frequently asked in MBBS theory, MCQs, and Viva. Thank you for watching. If you found this lecture useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more detailed MBBS pharmacology content.